Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient stack timeline block using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and choose a tall canvas for a vertical layout. First I draw a rounded rectangle as the main timeline container. Then I apply a gradient from deep blue to purple for visual flow. After that I create multiple smaller blocks inside using lighter gradients. Now I duplicate each block slightly and add subtle shadows for stacking depth. Next I apply inner glow to highlight active timeline steps. Then I align everything carefully for smooth progression. After this I refine spacing so the design breathes. Finally I zoom out and polish the timeline until it looks clean and modern.